NA.
Thinking Fast and Slow, by Daniel Kahneman describes the brain as complex, but has two main systems. The brain is divided into our prehistoric instinctual survival brain, called System 1, and our logical decision-making brain, called System 2. This video will outline the key points of the book in a few minutes. System 1 is based on emotions and acts quickly and intuitively, to try to keep us safe from harm in situations where we don't have time to consider many options. System 1 is where most of our emotional thinking happens. Our emotions are rapid feedback to an external stimulus, acting in a matter of seconds. It is meant to warn us of danger, but in our modern world that can include more than just physical danger. The danger of losing money, or possessions, or social status, also triggers strong emotional reactions. What we may call intuition is not as dependable as we think. It is just System 1 in your brain scanning for useful prior experiences and applying them to the situation you currently face. Don't go with your gut. Question everything, even your own reactions, in order to give the logical System 2 a chance to activate and inform your decision-making. This questioning will allow more time for your prior experiences to influence your thoughts in detail. Instead of drawing simplistic, or maybe even false connections between your past and present. To work faster, System 1 uses heuristics to cut corners on decision-making. This can be a problem. People who wish to deceive others will attempt to create a good impression over a long or short term before initiating the deception, forcing us to fight our first instinct to trust. Before succumbing to the halo effect, take a pause and take in more about other people. System 2 takes longer, is more logical, and doesn't conclude before it is ready. It isn't driven by a need to prevent harm in the moment but considers the potential risks and rewards in more detail. This second system allows us to focus on facts and not just our emotions. We also talked about this concept in the emotional intelligence video. This system helps us to make more logical choices which are based on prior experiences and not just instinct. System 2 inhibits impulsive decisions, which could save your life against a predatory animal, but are often damaging in our modern life. These days, not everything is a threat. Also, much of our life, including our health, our finances, and our autonomy, is within our control and we must cede control to others for them to harm us. System 1 will tell you everything is a threat, but that shouldn't be your baseline going through life. Instead, if someone tries to influence your decisions and your life, let System 2 work to judge them and their suggestion logically. This will also allow you to see if the proposal or decision is even necessary. As emotions come in System 1, and are supplanted by logic in System 2, emotions are often used in advertising and media campaigns to influence the decision-making of people. Slowing your thoughts down will prevent this from impacting your decision to buy a product or join a cause which may not in fact be honest in its intention. Avoid emotionally charged decisions, impulses, and snap judgments. Try to approach every situation and decision with a calm and patient attitude. Beware of people who want quick decisions or use emotions and psychological techniques to influence your perceptions. Let System 1 pass and start using System 2 before conceding anything. Unless a tiger or natural disaster is heading your way, we don't need to let ourselves be slave to our instincts.
NA.